Hi everyone, it's Beth from MBGrayDesigns. So in today's video, we're going to make these cute little hearts, little crochet hearts. They take like literally a few minutes and they're just great as a little applique on anything. You could also, if you wanted to, you could hot glue like some pretty gems or whatever on them, but with yarn, make sure to use a low heat setting on your hot glue gun. Okay, so anyway, it's real simple. You can see here on these pink ones I used this Caron Simply Soft. It's a medium 4-weight 4-ply yarn. What you see here is I use different size hooks. This one I used a 4mm, and this one I believe was a 5.5. So even just by using a different size hook will get you, a different size heart, even though it's the exact same stitches. This one I used a different yarn. It was a little bit chunkier yarn, and I used a 6mm, which is a J hook. So it's a little bit more texture and chunky, but it is really cute, isn't it? Same exact pattern. So what I'm going to use right now is some new yarn that I got at Michael's that is from Caron also. And it's just beautiful. I got it on clearance actually, and I kind of regret not getting some other colorways. So, but yeah. So I'm going to go ahead and use this really, really light, kind of a minty, whoa, I'm not in frame. Hold on, let me sketch this up. Sorry. Light minty teal color right here. So yeah, so let's get this yarn out, if I can figure out how to get this out, and we'll get started. I'm really excited. It's going to be so pretty. All right, I'll be right back when I get my yarn ready and my hooks. Okay, so I pulled them apart. It's just so soft. I wish you guys could feel this yarn. Oh, so soft. Anyways, we're going to use that lighter color I was talking about. And just so you know, this is 60% acrylic, 20% nylon, and 20% merino wool. Now you can just use regular acrylic, whatever you have. Just use the recommended hook size. In this case, it's a J, which is 6mm. So that's what I'll be using today. So, all right, let's just begin. So we're going to start with a slip knot. And again, you're just going to take your yarn and wrap it around 2 fingers, cross over like an X, use your index and thumb, your opposite hand, and pull the loop through. Now, don't pull it tight onto your hook, okay? Because what we're going to do is a little different. So we have a little bit of a bigger, loop on our hook. Okay. What we're going to do is we're going to chain, how many do I want to chain? 3. We're going to chain 3. So leave your loop a little open because we're going to crochet right into that circle. So we're going to chain 3. So 1, and then just hold up here, 2, 3. Okay. I've never crocheted with this yarn, sorry. And now we're going to do a triple crochet into this circle that we have. And don't worry about that circle. At the end, we will tighten that up. And even when we weave in the ends, we can sew it closed. So don't worry about that, okay? So, all right, we're going to do a triple crochet. So yarn over twice. Let me redo that. My yarn wasn't on my fingers. Yarn over twice. Go through this hole right here. Pull up a loop. Okay. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over and pull through 2. We want to do 3 of those. That was our first one. So let's do another one. Yarn over twice, go through the middle loop, hole that we started with, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, one more time, triple crochet, yarn over twice, go through your little middle loop, okay, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and then finish that off, okay? And That's what we have so far. Now we're going to do 3 double crochets. So just yarn over once. Oops, yarn over, pull through 2, and then yarn over and pull through 2 again, and I lost my stitch, no big deal, pull it out. So yarn over, and then we're going to pull through 2 again, yarn over, go through your hole in the middle, loop, whatever, yarn over, pull through 2, I think you guys get it. So we're going to do 3 double crochets, okay? And then we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to do a triple crochet right back into that middle cinch circle or slip knot circle that we started with. This yarn is really splitting on me. I've never crocheted with this yarn before, so I apologize for that. But it's okay. It's beautiful and it's incredibly soft, so I will work with it. But it is splitting on me pretty bad. It just means I probably need to slow down, take my time a little bit more. Okay, so that is one side of our heart, and hearts have symmetry. So we're just going to do the exact same thing backwards now. So we're going to chain 1, and then we're going to do 3 double crochets right into the middle where we've been crocheting into. And that little tail, if it gets in your way, just pull it back. So there's 1 double crochet, 2 double crochets, and 3. Now we're going to do 3 triple crochets. Let me get some more yarn here. And what you can do is cinch this up a little bit if that makes it easier, so it's not as loosey-goosey. You still have your center circle that you can easily crochet into. Okay, so 3 triples, yarn over twice again. Oh, this yarn, beautiful, but it's I'm kind of battling with it a little bit here, fighting with it. Yarn over, pull through 2. We do that 3 times. Yarn over, pull through 2, 3 times. All right, so 3 triple crochets. We're almost done. That's what I mean. It only takes literally a few minutes to make. Now, if you watched my beginner crochet video where we did some stitches, you should be able to do this because we learned all of these stitches with the exception of one that we're going to do at the end called a slip stitch, but it's really easy. And now we're going to chain 3. 1, 2, 3. And then what we want to do is slip stitch into this center loop hole circle. Okay, so to slip stitch, you don't yarn over anything. You literally just put your hook through there. Okay, yarn over, pull up the loop, and literally just take this loop and go right through the stitch that was on your crochet hook. That is called a slip stitch. It's very common to end something or to slip stitch stitches together. And what you can do now is just cinch this up so that we can close up that hole. And then let's just cut, you know, just a few inches off. Pull that through. Tighten that up. And again, I'm going to tighten that. And there you go. Ooh, there you go. How cute is that? And all you have to do is sew in these ends, which I will show you real quick. So this is a yarn needle that I'm using. It does have this little angled end. You don't have to use that kind. Any needle will work. This is nice because it has a big enough eye. But what I do to get your yarn through is I usually fold my yarn in half like this, and then I can easily just thread it through like that. And then what you want to do is just take your needle, pick a couple stitches here, and just go through like that. We're going to pick a couple more, go through, and we'll pick a couple more over here. When you do it like 3 times, it's not going to come out, okay? Okay, I'm going to do one more time since I just cinched that up tighter. And then all you do is just trim this off, okay? And now we just have this one piece left to tie in. Doesn't take very long. So again, I just fold my yarn over like that, take my needle, as you can see, just go like that, pull it through, okay? Now, we're going to do this one. So same thing, just kind of, I just try to go through a couple stitches here and there. Doesn't really matter. You just want to make sure these ends get tied in so that they don't come undone and unravel all your work. And you do it a few times, it's not going to come undone. Especially going different directions, it's like, there's no way. And then, again, you just trim off your excess yarn. I really like this color. And look how cute that is. It's so pretty. So it's very easy to do. Now, there are a gazillion and one tutorials on how to crochet a heart. I have watched so many of them over time, and it's pretty common to do it this way. So this is not something I designed or anything. It's just, this is a very common way to do a heart, a little heart like this to have as an applique. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, please let me know. And please don't forget to like my video and hit the subscribe button if you want to see some more project shares on paper crafting, tutorials, crocheting, all kinds of things with MB Gray Designs. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.